Topstep just released some major news and Twitter has erupted over it. We're going to cover that in this video. But before we do, guys, we are live Monday through Friday at the New York Open, day trading the NASDAQ right here on YouTube. If you want to catch me live, smash that subscribe button. You see my green days, my red days, my full tilt moments. You see absolutely everything. I'm fully transparent. You see my entries, exit, absolutely everything. So if you want to see that, smash that subscribe button, guys. We're also doing a free live mastermind course held in Discord, link down in the description. We're going to cover market profile, everything from initial balance, point of control, and value area. You do not want to miss it. It's on December 21st at 1 p.m. It's going to be a total vibe, a lot of information. It's going to be very info heavy. And as always, guys, if you like this kind of content, smash that like button with serious stories. Tells YouTube, hey, I like this guy, like content he's putting out. With that said, let's get in the video, man. Topstep has released some major news, and it does affect everybody as a trader. And to be honest, I'm not against the news. I'm not really against what they released. Let's go ahead and just share my screen here and just cover it real quick. I'm going to pull down this post, and this is from Topstep. Let me zoom in a little bit so you guys can get a nice little look here. So going forward, live funded traders cannot trade express funded accounts anymore at the same time. You know, everybody's been getting live accounts, and then they would trade their XFAs alongside their lives. And what people would normally do is take the profits from their live or their XFA accounts and then transfer them over into a live account. It helps them build a really big balance super fast. You see a lot of people on the leaderboards, that's what they did. They built up, they got a live account, went and got some more XFAs, took profits from XFAs, transferred those into live. And it's a smart play. It helps you get one major account to a big balance. It gives you a lot of wiggle room and a lot of extra leverage to trade and make money, right? It makes sense. The more money you have, the more money you can make, essentially, and the more drawdown you have and the more risk you can take. But now those days are gone. Now you can start with 5 XFAs and you can trade those, build them up to a big balance. But then once you get called up to live, you can no longer have the option to trade XFAs. There are some people that are for this and some people that are against it. I'm kind of in that middle ground. You know, when we talk about what Topstep is aiming to do and the reasoning behind this, I have a couple mixed perspectives on this, right? One, Topstep claims that they're doing this because they're seeing it benefit the traders more so to have a singular focus on one account. While that may be true and that is beneficial to maybe not spread yourself out and just have one big focus and to focus on growing an account instead of taking trades on multiple accounts, that could be beneficial. But at the same time, even though you're copy trading, your entries and exits, they're all the same, whether it's one account or 5. So I don't think it really affects a trader that much, right? Because again, we can copy trade it. We can literally take one trade and place it across 5 accounts and treat it like it's one account. Okay, same entries, same exits, same mentality, same trading. It's all the same, right? So I don't think trading multiple accounts affects a trader. So the fact of it being better for somebody to have a singular focus on the account, I don't think is really the whole big picture of this. I think more so the industry is going towards live, right? It's trying to get away from sim funded accounts, as you see that across multiple prop firms already. But at the same time, it's a great business decision because what does it do? It eliminates spending and paying out thousands and thousands. We're talking like 20K, 30K, 40K, upwards of 100K across 5 simulation accounts to traders, right? It's a business move. It's smart. It's protecting profits. It provides long-term sustainability. And Topstep is at the top of the food chain when it comes to prop firms, right? They're the most, probably one of the most sustainable ones right now because they've been around so long. They started this industry. They are the OGs in the prop firm space. And I have a ton of respect for Topstep. So I do want to say this. This is not me critiquing the move, by the way. This is me giving my perspective on what I see from like the outside, right? And I could be way off. If I'm wrong, tell me in the comments, right? But it's a smart business decision because you are eliminating a lot of outflow of money going out of the business and having traders focus on a one single live account that's not going to affect you that much, right? As a business. I don't think Topstep is in the wrong at all for making this move. I think it's probably better that they do this than the latter, where they had 5 XFAs and had a live account and you could trade a live account and 5 XFAs. I think it's a better business decision, and it probably does help ground traders a little bit more and focusing on one account. But again, I don't think that is the only reason why this is happening, because I can guarantee you that most traders are going to want to trade those multiple accounts because we can get more paid out more, right? Who doesn't? But going into this more, traders with a live account cannot start any new express funded accounts. We kind of went over that. You got a live account, you cannot activate any more XFAs. Now you can get combines and you can pass those combines, but what's going to happen is once you pass them and you already have a live account, those combines are going to be placed on hold. You cannot activate those XFAs. But if you blow your live account, then you can activate those XFAs as backups and start trading those and work your way back to a live funded account. And something I do want to cover here, and I asked Michael this on Twitter. I asked Michael, if you blow a live funded account on Topstep, can you still activate XFAs to work towards live again? And Michael responded with, correct, but we have limits coming. 10 XFA in a month. If you rip through those, then Topstep will put you on pause. Slow down is the message. It makes for better trading. So if you blow your live account, you can still trade XFAs, but they are limiting you to 10 XFAs in a month, meaning you can't get combines, activate them, and start going through XFAs and pulling out money and pulling out money, blow them, then get more XFAs, pull out money, blow them, or blow them and go get more XFAs, yada, yada, yada. Like they're limiting you on how much XFAs how many XFAs you can have in a single month, which, to be honest, I feel like is a healthy thing for a trader. If you're going through 10 XFAs in a single month, something is very, very wrong. That is unhealthy. Mentally, it's going to be draining on you. That's super bad, and it's still super bad habits in your trading. So I honestly kind of agree with this, saying that if you go through 10 XFAs, you need to take a step back and reevaluate your trading and your methods and how you're approaching the markets, because that is extremely, extremely unhealthy. So going back into this now, trading combines that are passed, we already went over this, will be placed on hold and will not be eligible for express funded activation. But if you blow your live account, then you can then activate them as live XFAs. Active express funded accounts are monitored by Topstep risk managers, so they can move you to live at any point, right? If you are getting payouts, you are automatically eligible to be moved to live. So you could get one payout from a risk manager and go to live. You could get 3 payouts from your XFAs, and your risk manager will move you to live. But once you get that first payout, you are automatically eligible to be moved from a live account, and a risk manager can evaluate your trading, evaluate your account, and make the decision to move you. Now, one thing they did say is that if you already have XFAs and you're trading a live account, the risk managers at their discretion, they can choose to close your XFAs, move the account balances into your live account, but close your XFAs. You can continue trading them as normal, but it's up to the risk managers whether they want to move your profits from the XFAs into the live accounts if you already have XFAs right now. So with all that said, I truly, just my 2 cents on it, and my personal thoughts, I think it's a great business decision. I think it's, again, not really more so centered around the fact that a singular focus on account is the big picture. I think it really is a business decision to focus on, moving people from XFAs into live accounts, because that's where the industry is headed. You look at all other prop firms, they are putting a focus on live accounts, but it also helps protect profits and longevity and sustainability. Even though Topstep is probably one of the more well-off companies in the industry, it does help with sustainability when they're not paying out thousands and thousands of dollars out of 5 XFAs consistently over time, right? Because that can be pretty draining, right? But anyways, those are my 2 cents on the news that Topstep released. Let me down in the comments what you guys think. Are you for it? Are you against it? Do you think it's good for the industry? Do you think it's healthy? Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. And as always, smash that like button with serious authority. If you like this kind of content, smash that subscribe button. And fam, I will see you in the next video. Cheers.